To customize lock screen on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening settings, and right now you have to navigate into the personalization. Then click on this first screen with this big clock. And as you can see, first of all, when you click like this on the empty space, you can get this preview bigger, so we can fit your preferences a little bit better. Now, when you click on it one more time, you will go back to the previous option, and by clicking here, you can change this widget. So as default, it's showing us date, but you can add some weather information. For example, you can show temperature for your current location. Now we can close this one, and by clicking here, we are able to adjust clock style. First of all, we can change position of the clock, and over here, we can change that clock style. So you can get super big clock, for example, if you want, with this super big font. And here, a lot of different clock types, even something like this. And let's say that I want to get, for example, this big clock information, and I can also change its font, color, that looks like that. I can add some overlap thing, some gradient, solid way, and now I have to click X if I apply all of those changes. And here we can also change a wallpaper, so we can actually use the default wallpapers. We can add some local photos. If you take something with your camera or download some pictures, you will have to grant permission to all of your media files. And as you can see, in my case, I can find a lot of pictures, so if I want to set a custom wallpaper, I have to select like that. And additionally, we can also turn on and off the depth effect. So as you can see, we are hiding the time under the photo. So it's not really useful because you cannot see the exact time. And you can also add some effects to your lock screen, some blur and some lens, different things. And we can also add the matte effect. And now if you want to apply all of those changes to your lock screen, you have to just click apply. And that's basically everything for this video, and I hope you find it useful.